South Africa is calling. South Africa is calling you. So the Stellenbosch is offering postgraduate scholarships for 2025. So postgraduate scholarships means for honors, masters, or PhD. That's postgraduate. There is not much information about the scholarship here. The bulk of the information is on the document, this call document. If you download this document, you find more information about the scholarship and the application process. But we'll go through these instructions because they are very important. The closing deadline is 31 October 2024. You have enough time to send your application. Please remember to join my Patreon through the link in the video description. Patreon is where I share scholarship updates. So you can download the app so that you don't miss scholarship updates. Like there are some updates that I make that are not available on YouTube. So here is about the scholarship. You can read it, but let's look at the steps because they're very important. First, you need to visit the prospective postgraduate student website so that you can familiarize yourself with the programs that are available and the minimum entry requirements for each. Before you can start thinking about the scholarship, you have to go and check if the course that you are interested in is available at Stellenbosch University, and also if you meet the requirements for that particular course. Okay? And then the next step, after you find your course, after you verify that your course is available and also that you meet the requirements for that particular course, then you have to apply to that program. And you should note under which faculty it falls. So when you apply for your honors, for your masters, for your PhD, be sure to take some note and know which faculty your course falls under. The next step after you apply for that postgraduate program, locate the scholarship faculty criteria of the relevant faculty. So you see why it's important to know your faculty so that you apply for the relevant scholarship. You don't apply for the wrong scholarship, because if you apply for the wrong scholarship, I'm assuming you will not be considered. So once you know which faculty the program you applied for falls under, then you locate the scholarship. That document, in the core document below, this is the document they are talking about. The document that I said you should download that has all the information. In this document, they have categorized faculties. So based on the faculty that you fall under, you go and see the faculty criteria on this document. Each faculty has unique qualifying criteria. So each faculty has its own criteria for the applicants. That's why it's important to go and check the document and see what are the requirements for you to qualify for the scholarship under that particular faculty you are interested in. And then there's step 4, apply for the PSP. PSP means Postgraduate Scholarship Program. It's an abbreviation via the correct application link for the faculty. Application links can be found on page 3 of the call document. So once you have read the criteria for your faculty, you go to page 3 of the call document and you look for the link specific to your faculty. You click on that link and then you go apply for the scholarship. Here it's a disclaimer, like a note. If you're previously a NSFAS or funded undergrad, please include proof of funding. Okay. You see, there are 4 steps that you need to follow. Don't mix them up. Don't do it the other way around. Make sure that you follow the steps and apply for the scholarship. Remember, I'm here to support you. I'm here to offer you guidance. If you feel overwhelmed, if you feel that you need assistance with your application, please do sign up for my one-on-one private mentorship through the link in the video description and I will guide you with your application. All the best.